Chapter 3. The Root Chakra. The root chakra is known as the Muladhara, taken from the words mula, meaning root, and dhara, base. This energy center connects all your energy with the earth. In other words, it grounds you. The root chakra works for survival and stability. This basically means that it plays a role in providing us financial and emotional security. The primary color of this center is red, and it is located at the base of the spine around the tailbone. When your root chakra is open and balanced, you feel grounded and connected to the earth and world around you. It is easy for you to plan your finances. You feel professionally and financially stable. Thoughts about money, shelter, and safety don't worry you. Since the root chakra is constantly in use, it is quite common for it to be overactive. When it is so, you feel anxious and worried about your survival. Even when there is nothing to worry about in terms of money and survival, your root chakra will constantly be making you anxious about your survival and security. Physically, this may lead to digestive problems. You may experience back pain or hip pain. Women tend to suffer from ovarian cysts, and men may develop issues with their prostate. When the chakra is underactive, you may be prone to daydreaming and have a tendency to space out. You will have difficulties concentrating. Heal your root chakra by chanting the mantra LAM during meditation. Imagine a red-colored cord connecting you from the root chakra to the center of the earth. Connect with nature and earth by taking a walk in a park, doing some gardening, and feeling the grass while walking barefoot.